My name is Heather Van Mullem. I am a professor at Lewis Clark State College in Lewiston, Idaho. The topic of this video is tips and techniques to manage anxiety in sport. Most people feel anxious at some point. Engaging in activities that are new, are important, or have high stakes attached can lead to feelings of nervousness and/or anxiety. We know that anxiety can be helpful and can be a hindrance. Sometimes people describe the physiological symptoms of anxiety as feeling like they have butterflies or that their stomach feels upset, though there are certainly other ways people might feel anxious. Orlick said, "It's not a case of getting rid of the butterflies, it's a question of getting them to fly in formation." His belief is that anxiety, when managed with techniques that work well for each individual, can help the individual to perform at a high level. Today we'll explore two techniques: breath control and progressive muscle relaxation. Like any skill, each of these two techniques takes some practice. The goal of today's talk is not to make you an expert, but rather to introduce you to these two techniques so you can try them out and see if they might work well for you. Let's start with breath control. Weinberg and Gold state, breath control, in fact, is one of the easiest, most effective ways to control anxiety and muscle tension. Your goal when using breath control is to remember to keep your breathing slow, deliberate, and focused. Inhale for 1 second, then exhale for 2 seconds. Allow yourself the time needed to slow down and invest in this breathing ratio. Remember, inhale for 1 second, exhale for 2 seconds. Now, let's talk about a second option. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique characterized by the contraction and relaxation of muscles with breathing. If you decide to try this technique, there are a couple of key things to remember. 1. Tense larger muscles longer than smaller ones. 2. You can practice this technique either sitting up or lying down. You choose. The key is that however you choose to do this, your body is completely supported. And 3, start down at your feet and work your way up to your head. As you breathe in, tense a group of muscles, but not to the point that it hurts. Do this for 5 to 7 seconds. As you breathe out, immediately and completely relax your muscles. You should do this for 10 to 14 seconds. Then, after that 10 to 14 seconds is up, move up your body to the next group of muscles and repeat the cycle. These are just two of many different techniques you can try to help you manage your anxiety. If this is of interest to you, give them a try. If they don't work, there are many different techniques that might work better. I think of mental performance enhancement like a buffet. When you go to a buffet, there are so many different options to choose from. The only way you might find one or more you like is to try them. If you try one and don't like it, go back to the buffet and try another option. If you find one you like, keep using it so it helps you achieve your goals. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Heather Van Mullem. I can be reached at hivanmullem@lcsc.edu.